How to buy linear finance token. So this token came under the symbol of Lina. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on CoinMarketCap. To be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address. As you can see, this token address is under the Ethereum network. Now open your wallet. How you will use the Bitcoin wallet. For that, go to your wallet and select the Ethereum as a network. Now click on this plus icon and paste the token address in the search bar. As you can see, now click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and keep searching until you find your token that you just added called Lina. So after you find it, click on it. Now click on swap. Switch from here. From the top, you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and you can type in how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. As you can see, now here click on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Lina token. If you found it very helpful, please like and subscribe to the next video.